So the next integration that I'm going to talk about is with WRIKE. And so the integration with WRIKE is almost exactly the same as with Jira. So we have the same setup where you go into a project, you mark it up, and that feedback will get captured automatically within your zipBoard project, but also it will get captured in your WRIKE project. So I'm going to go ahead and show what that looks like. So here you are in WRIKE. I just created a test project here called integrations. And then going from the table view, you can see that the project I had just created, or the task I had just created, is also in WRIKE because I've integrated both of these. Now, the exact same thing happens again. So if you're changing task status here in WRIKE, you're going to have that reflected in zipBoard. And if you're changing the status in zipBoard, you're going to have that reflected in WRIKE. So it's not to say that you have to, manage both at the same time or one or the other. If you're perfectly comfortable with working with WRIKE, then all you have to do is just have zipBoard generate the tasks for you, and then you'll see them here. You can click into it, you'll see a screenshot of the task, you'll see a link to zipBoard if you ever need to actually access the task live. But this just allows you to have all your task generation feed directly into your project, as opposed to some third-party intermediary where, again, you have some QA reviewer putting it in a spreadsheet and then sending that spreadsheet over to you to get put into your project management tool.